Good morning, everybody. This is the Banjoman, my YouTube channel. These are IBC Totes. This is what I get. This is my source of income. I get these totes at a low discount price of $0. Turn around and sell them for either $50, $75, or $100. Depends on their condition. Today is July 25th. Making a vlog here, so I'm going to upload this on YouTube. I do deliver in the Central Florida area. There is a little, I can deliver 2 at a time. I do charge a little bit for gas, $20, $25 depending on, but in the county of Orange, I don't charge for delivery. The totes in perfect condition are $100 each. So alright, I'm going to end this video. IBC Totes. I post them on my Facebook marketplace, and I've been doing this for over a year. It's been keeping me afloat during the corona pandemic. I hope everybody has a safe time during that and don't lose any loved ones. I know I lost my mother 3 years ago, so going on 3 April. Well, God bless everybody. Please subscribe to my channel. Only because of you guys I'll be able to make some money from YouTube one day. Like the video. It's a simple one, but it's just to keep you informed of what I do in my life besides playing Xbox. Alright, take care everybody, all my fans out there. Bye.